Holiday resort in the sand, in a dried riverbed, having fun. Remember when you drove through the desert?
Yeah.
You drove like 7 miles in this kind of stuff? Not quite as sandy. This stuff's a little bit tricky.
There's no way this truck can flip over, right?
Yeah, it can flip over.
Really?
Yeah, if you're not careful.
Oh gosh, be careful for the rocks.
Dude, it's fine. My dad drove over this like crazy.
I am such a scaredy cat. Here.
The trick is to go slow.
Here, see it?
Here, you guys want to get out and videotape me going over these rocks?
Yeah. That'll be safer for us. I don't want to get hurt.
Yeah,
Oh,
open
you're
your door in
fine.
case. Yeah. Here, get out this way. Alright.
Getting out of the truck.
Dad,
Yeah.
I'm about to hit a rock. I gotta go potty. Are you still videotaping?
Yep.
What?
Yep.
Don't show me. taking me a pee.
Wait for Braydon to be done taking a potty. Oh my God, Mr. Krause.
What?
He's gonna go through here.
Oh, man.
Are you going through there?
Yeah, I didn't want to go over there.
Alright, get up on this rock.
All right, we've got you covered. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Okay, you ready? Videotaping it?
Come on. Woo.
Walk in the park. But make sure you shake the sand off your feet.
Here, I'm over there. Wait.
Fine, big boy.
Now show the driver.
Oh, you gotta grab the doors.
Oh yeah. This one first, right?
Yeah, and then
Here, get the top. Oh, dude, I'm still videotaping. God, how do I do this?
grab the belt, grab the seat belt and just pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just
Dad? Dad!
what I want to do.
Just...
Okay, that's it.
Right, and that was my dad.
Here, let me see.
Okay, stop it.
No, we're keeping going.
Videotaping me take a pee.
Woo! Yeah, babe.
Dad, why are you going all swervy swerve?
This is fun.
Well, which way to get out?
I can go out that way, but let me see if I can find
Can we get out and videotape this?
Oh, we're stuck.
Can we get out and videotape this, Mr.
Oh,
Krause?
yeah.
Sure.
This one will be fun.
Yeah, this is a sick one. Okay, let me make a suggestion. Go over there where that little patch of dirt is.
Uh-huh.
Kind of bring your camera down low and shoot it down so you can see
Yeah.
the bottom of my car moving up and down.
All right.
You still taping?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've been taping.
Hey, right here. Off-roading dude, bro. Yeah. Okay.
Wow. And that was my dad.
And then, hey, I'm going to go real slow. Bring the camera up, and then I'm going to move over there and go over those rocks.
Got it. Here, I'm gonna try. You videotaped the last one.
Bring it low, remember?
Yeah.
Watch this. Watch you go to this rock. Go on the other side of my car over there.
Holy crap.
Just go.
Go over to the front. Go down there by the log.
1 second, I'm on two.
My dad's insane.
There's a bridge.
Okay. And that is the FJ.
FJ?
That's what the car's called.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. There's a freaking bridge.
Alright, you boys ready?
Yeah.
We're going back?
Yeah, go back over there. Show me again. Let's go.
Right. Here, let me do it. Watch.
I need to use the bathroom. Mr. Krause,
Go ahead.
we can somehow get up there, can't we? I need to use the bathroom.
Go ahead.
Shoot down low. Like down by the ground, put it almost flat. Right tires.
I get freaking sand in my shoe.
Me too. Come on. Come on.
Dude, chill.
Oh, yes, we're back. And radical. Yeah, can you hold it? Talk to it.
All right. Well, that was kind of fun. We had a little rock, kind of rock bottomed out, but that's cool. Now, you guys, when you shoot video, you want to always keep the camera still like this. See, you want to think of, you guys are walking around, so it's going to be all jittery. Always keep it nice and
Think
smooth.
we'll get a lot of views if we put it on YouTube?
Maybe. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Not yet. Shoes. Empty.
So, Dad, where are we right now?
We're near Palo Resort. We're going to go to the new motocross track, check it out. My buddy Eric over there is the marketing director. And hopefully we'll get some sick footage. See what's going on over there.
Are we going to go off-road?
Sick
It's
footage.
his butt in here.
Dad, it's Micah, not Nico.
You said Mika.
Oh. Stop calling me that.
I can close it.
All right, you still recording?
Yeah.
Here, I got it. There we go.
This is an 8-minute and 47 video. Should I pause it?
You
Should I?
probably want to turn it at the top of this. You can turn it off. Here we go. Our last part of 4-wheel drive.
Can't really see anything. It's too bright.
All right, we are now officially on the road. You can stop recording.